Welcome to Script Music Player, available on the App Store and Google Play for iPhone, iPad, and Android. Created by a working DJ for wedding ceremonies and outdoor introductions, Script Music Player keeps your announcements and music cues together. You can say a bridal party member's name and start that person's song at the same moment, without switching between a script and a separate music player. This simple approach also works for planners, venues, dance recitals, theater, school programs, awards, sports introductions, and corporate events. The three main areas are live cues, edit script, and playlist player. First, open System Settings. Tap New Project, then confirm that you want to clear the workspace. Save current stores the complete project, including the script, cue songs, song edits, and background playlist. The first save asks for a project name. Later saves update that same project. In Live Cues, tap the red Add Cue button. Cue 1 appears, and the text field opens automatically. Type the words you plan to say. Here, we are entering, "Please welcome the wedding party." An empty cue has no play button because a song has not been assigned yet. Tap the red Add Song button. If no music source has been selected, the normal Files browser opens. Go to the folder that contains your event music, then select that folder. Script Music Player imports the available songs. It remembers this location, so the next time you add music, it returns to the same folder until you choose a different one. Tap Add Song again and choose the track for this cue. As soon as the song is assigned, the waveform, BPM, red Edit Song button, yellow Cue 1 button, and green Play button appear in the same cue card. The cue is now ready to rehearse. You can keep tapping Add Cue and enter one announcement at a time. For a longer list, open Edit Script. Give the project a useful name. Each line in the editor becomes one cue. Tap the red Paste List button, then paste your names or announcements with one item on each line. You can also type directly here. When the list is complete, return to Live Cues. Every line is now its own cue card, ready for you to add music. Add a song only where a new track should begin. If the current song should continue under the next announcement, leave that cue without music. Drag cue changes the order. Delete cue removes a cue after confirmation. Keeping the words and songs on one card makes the running order easy to check. To choose the exact part of a song, tap the red Edit Song button. Press play, then set the start point where playback should begin and the stop point where it should end. You can drag either marker for a finer adjustment. When the range is ready, return to Live Cues. That edit stays with the project and remains available offline. Before the event, rehearse from top to bottom. Tapping Cue 1 moves the song back to its saved start point and leaves it stopped. Cue never starts the song. Only the green Play button starts playback. Use pause whenever you need a temporary hold. For a longer entrance, tap Loop In and then Loop Out. That section repeats until you tap Exit Loop, giving people as much walking time as they need. Fade smoothly lowers the song that is playing. Watch the on-screen song fading meter come down while the master volume remains at 65%. The master stays exactly where you set it until you move it yourself. Advance fades the current song over 3 seconds and starts the next assigned song when 1 second remains. Cues without a new song are skipped. Stop ends playback immediately. Playlist Player is a separate, simple player for background music during cocktail hour, dinner, pre-show, or intermission. Choose its music source, then select Continuous or Random. The playlist advances automatically and does not replace any songs assigned to live cues. Return to System Settings to save or open projects. You can also adjust the script text size and fade length, check the audio output, and find support. On the first save, enter a project name. After that, Save Current updates the same saved project. If you are outdoors in bright light and the screen is difficult to see, turn on daylight mode. The brighter display makes the script, waveforms, and controls much easier to read. Turn it off again whenever you prefer the darker screen. That is the complete script music player workflow. Create the script, add music where it is needed, set the cue points, rehearse, and run the event from one screen. Thanks for watching, and enjoy a simpler way to keep every announcement and music cue together.